Good morning, everybody. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Happy Thursday. Sunshine is dominant today. It's completely different compared to what we had yesterday. We had a little sun to start the day and a little sun at the end of the day, but a big stretch of our Wednesday was dealing with cloud cover and heavy, stifling mugginess. Well, today it's going to be muggy. It's going to be sunnier, though, and as a result, a bit warmer. We're looking at temperatures approaching 90 today with very light winds. Remember a couple of days ago we had to deal with, we were talking about the wind. It was a warm breeze, but it was a breeze nonetheless, and it was stirring things up and making things a little more palatable. Today, that's not the case. We're looking at temperatures on the way to about 88, 89 degrees across the map, and rich humidity and lack of wind for our Thursday. 74 right now in Rochester. Here's our quality group camera. Just a little bit after 8:30 on this Thursday morning. It's looking towards St. Mary's Hospital, in fact, right now from Assisi Heights, and it does look like it's going to be a steamy, sticky, hot day. Looking at high temperatures about 7 to 10 degrees above the seasonal average, and it's something that's going to be playing out over and over again over the next maybe week or two. We're talking about temperatures running way above the norm for quite some time. Now, it's not unusual to have this kind of weather, given that it is July, to have a day or a week where temperatures run, 7 or 8, 10 degrees above normal. That's not unheard of, but this stretch could go on for quite some time, at least as it stands right now, the possibility of a couple of weeks at least of this type of heat and humidity. No rest for the weary, I guess, but looking at a stretch of sun-filled weather that makes it look awfully nice outside, though, especially if you have a pool, access to a slip and slide, something like that. 74 in Rochester right now. It's 77 in Austin, 76 in Charles City, Winona now 74, La Crosse 75. So far, you get about 78 degrees. That is when you start calculating a heat index. It has to be warm enough to actually have that part of the calculation. So far, 74 the temperature. It feels like 74. The dew point 68. When we start getting the upper 70s and eventually into the 80s, the heat index today will be around 4 or 5 degrees above the actual temperature. So when we hit 88, the heat index would be around 93, 94. If you get those dew points well into the 70s, a much more of a pronounced change in that feels like condition. We're not going to quite, I think, get to that point this week. Dew points 68 to 70, pretty common each day, which is, I'd say, the middle of that scale, the moderate level of humidity. Not the worst, not the oppressive tropical stuff we had in some cases last year, and we may yet see that, but that's something that oftentimes occurs more toward the peak of the growing season, that evapotranspiration from farms and things like that. You get that extra moisture in the air from mostly corn. Corn releases a lot of humidity into the air from evapotranspiration. It happens late August or late July and through the mid and late part of August. Today, though, still a steamy one, though. 80 degrees, 88 by 4. Heat index around 93, 94 this afternoon. Satellite radar skies are generally clear. We had a band of clouds in place that has moved on under high pressure right now. Looks like a dry day today. All the thunderstorms north of us, northwest of us across the plains. Severe weather risk well west of us, and that's where it's going to stay for days. Here's tomorrow's severe weather risk from the Storm Prediction Center. We're going to stick with sunshine here. There may be an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon or two, and the same deal again on Independence Day, Saturday itself. Sunday, better chance of more scattered storms in the area, but otherwise hot and humid with a lot of sun surrounding those rain chances, and not a whole lot of wind as they stir things up. So rich humidity makes for a sticky, very stuffy weather situation, weather picture here for a while. Those dew points are right around 68 to 70. Future track, there's that high pressure sticks around. There's a couple of spotty showers and thunderstorms in north woods of Wisconsin, up toward Rhinelander, Minocqua, and up toward Antigo, maybe in Wausau, but not here in the southeast Minnesota, north Iowa. Will stay dry tonight, clear and muggy. Temperatures mainly around 70. Tomorrow, a couple of spotty thunderstorms may pop up. You see that in southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa. There's a little wave of upper level disturbance energy that may trigger a couple of thunderstorms toward the peak heating of the day. So definite stability for that. And the same thing may happen again Saturday. Moving along, a storm system from the northwest may clip the area on Sunday with a chance of more widespread scattered showers and storms. So outlook tomorrow afternoon, evening storms. Same deal Saturday, Sunday, a little more widespread and starts late morning and lasts into the evening, but it won't rain the entire time. I think we'll be in and out of those scattered showers and thunderstorms, occasional sunshine. We've had a couple days like that already this year, so it's not too strange. Look at high temperatures close to 90 each day. So for today, mostly sunny skies, warm and humid, 88, sunset 8:56, 89 in Austin, right around 90 in Northwood. There's that upper level ridge that's going to stick around, that heat building northward as that ridge of high pressure allows for that heat to build in from the tropics. We call that an omega block, and the omega block may be here for a couple of weeks. Now what is the thing that brings us rain chances? These little upper level ripples of energy riding along that may clip the area. But at the surface, high pressure remains dominant. Thunderstorm chances are the larger chances of more organized, maybe severe storms, things like that, west of us and toward the northeast part of the country, but not here so much in the upper Mississippi Valley. 88 today, will be in the 70-degree range later tonight. Today, light east winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, warm and humid. Tonight, clear and muggy, 68 degrees. And for our Friday, 90, mostly sunny skies, a hint of an east breeze, maybe a couple of isolated thunderstorms after about 3 in the afternoon until about 8 in the evening. Outlook for the next few days, right around 90 for the holiday weekend. A stray storm Friday to Saturday. Sunday, scattered thunderstorms late morning and afternoon, but occasional sunshine there as well. 7-day outlook, long term, still upper 80s right through next Wednesday. It does look like we're going to carry that trend right into the following weekend. So if you're thinking, when does this end? Maybe at least another couple of weeks before we see any pattern change right now. In the meantime, stay cool, everybody. Stay hydrated. Enjoy your Thursday, especially I'm sure you'll be enjoying it if you have the day off and you're going to go slip and slide, jump the pool, go to the lake, find some shade, have a hammock. Whatever you're going to do. Otherwise, find some air conditioning and, keep those dog walks a little shorter than peak heat in the day. It's going to be a toasty one today, and it's going to be like that for a while. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you right back here for Friday. TGIF coming up tomorrow.